In this video, we listed the 5 best folding treadmills that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Echelon Stride Treadmill. The Echelon Stride is a cutting-edge fitness solution designed for convenience and performance. Boasting a sleek black color and crafted from durable alloy steel, it weighs 70.8 kilograms and measures 115 inches deep, 60 inches wide, and 128 inches high. This foldable treadmill reaches speeds up to 12 miles per hour and includes features like a 20-inch by 55-inch running deck, integrated handlebar heart rate sensors, Bluetooth connectivity, and a USB charging port. It's tailored for adults seeking indoor cycling, cardio workouts, and walking, offering both vertical and horizontal portability with its auto-fold technology and transport wheels. Backed by a 12-month limited warranty, the Echelon Stride combines intelligent design with practicality for accessible, heart-pumping exercise experiences. Number 2. XTERRA Fitness Treadmill. The XTERRA treadmill is a new, high-quality product designed for indoor use by adults. It features a sleek black design constructed from alloy steel, weighing 111.3 pounds and measuring 64.6 inches in length, 29.3 inches in width, and 51.7 inches in height. This smart treadmill includes a large 16x50-inch running surface and connects to third-party apps for enhanced functionality. Key features include a 5.5-inch blue backlit LCD display, speeds up to 10 miles per hour, and adjustable incline levels. Safety and convenience are prioritized with handlebar controls for speed and incline adjustments, along with XTERRA soft deck cushioning for a comfortable workout experience. The treadmill is also foldable and equipped with wheels for easy storage and maneuverability. Number 3. Sunny Health Strider Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill in black, made from alloy steel, offers high-performance running capabilities with dimensions of 62.6 inches in length, 29.3 inches in width, and 47.6 inches in height, weighing 117.9 pounds. It supports speeds up to 9 miles per hour on a shock-absorbent surface ideal for running, targeting adult users. Featuring a wide running deck for stability and a low-profile design for space efficiency, it includes safety features like slip-resistant handrails and shock absorption to reduce joint impact. The console displays metrics such as speed, time, distance, calories burned, pulse, and steps, with additional features like pre-assembly, portability, and connectivity to the Sunnyfit app via Bluetooth for real-time performance tracking and trainer-led workouts. Number 4. BowFlex Treadmill. The BowFlex Treadmill, characterized by its sleek black design and robust metal construction, is a high-grade product in like-new condition, weighing 253.5 pounds and measuring 78 inches deep, 37.6 inches wide, and 62.8 inches high. It boasts a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour and features a motorized incline up to 15% for effective hill training. Designed for adult users, it includes a 20-inch wide by 60-inch long running belt with ComfortTech cushioning system to reduce impact, complemented by a dual-track LCD display offering 26 built-in workout programs. Heart rate monitoring is available via contact and telemetry methods. Notably, it supports the JRNY mobile-only membership for 2 months free, enabling personalized workouts and access to over 200 virtual courses via the JRNY app, subscription required. The treadmill also facilitates all-in-one tracking of fitness progress, achievements, and personal bests, making it a versatile choice for home fitness enthusiasts seeking comprehensive workout options. Number 5. Lifepro Smallest Treadmill. The Lifepro Pacer Mini Pro Small Walking Pad is a new grade, compact treadmill designed for versatile use at home or in the office. Made from stainless steel and featuring a blue color with an adjustable handlebar, it measures 32.7 inches in diameter, 25 inches in width, and stands 41 inches tall, weighing 46 pounds. Operating at speeds up to 3 miles per hour, it includes a special 7-degree incline to enhance calorie burning. Ideal for light exercise and walking, it targets adults seeking convenient fitness solutions with features like easy storage, portability via built-in wheels, adjustable speed settings, and a display panel for tracking workout progress.